Hey, fantastic foodies! James here from Blogging Good Food. Today we are about to embark on a exhilarating global culinary adventure, exploring the diverse and absolutely delectable ways chicken breast is transformed into mouth-watering masterpieces around the world. So buckle up your taste buds because this journey is about to take us on a flavorful roller coaster ride. Italy chicken piccata. Our first stop is the heart of deliciousness, Italy. Close your eyes and imagine this succulent chicken breast, delicately pan-fried to golden perfection, and then bathed in a luscious lemon and caper sauce. That's a dance of flavors on your palate. Japan, teriyaki chicken. Now, fasten your seat belts as we jet off to Japan for a taste of teriyaki chicken tender glazed perfection with that irresistible sweet and savory kick that's like a culinary fireworks display in your mouth. Mexican chicken mole. Bienvenidos a Mexico. Get ready for a flavor fiesta as we indulge in chicken mole. Imagine a rich chocolate-infused sauce embracing juicy chicken, creating a culinary symphony that's celebration of taste. India chicken tikka masala. Now let's add some spice to our journey as we land in India to savor the glory of chicken tikka masala. Creamy aromatic and packed with an explosion of spices, this dish is a true celebration of India's rich culinary heritage. Hold tight, folks. Our global chicken adventure does not end here. There's more delicious waiting for us just around the corner. And that, my amazing audience, is a wrap. If you found this global chicken journey as delightful as I did, don't forget to give us thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more culinary adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I cannot wait to hear about your favorite chicken dishes from around the world. Until our next flavorful encounter, happy cooking!